So creating a hole is a very simple task for us. You may observe that this hole is an axial hole. That means the axis of the hole is coincident with the axis of the circular block what we are having. So we may notice an axis over here internally. So we can assign the position of the hole and utilize the axis. So I'll directly click on the axis at first, and let me reduce the diameter to stop confusion. And as I've selected the axis, now the next task is for me to select the surface. I've selected the surface by holding the control button, and you can see that the hole is created. So I have certain diameter for the hole which can be altered under the shape. The diameter of the hole is equal to 35. So I can change it over here. You may notice that I got a hole over here, and the depth shall be up to the next surface. To next is better. So you can see that this hole is dropping over here, and I'll simply press OK over here. So it has been hidden. Just press OK. Come back to normal. So we have created the hole as well. We have one more feature over here which I was missing it. We have a rounded feature over here, and the round is almost equal to 5 units. So I'll go to the round command, and I'll click over here on the sharp edge. I have to reduce the round to 5, and we got the rounded feature over here. So this is the way I've created the geometry, what you can see on the screen right now. And we have to follow a procedure. We have to follow the process sequentially. So I really recommend you to analyze the geometry at first. Analyze what are the different features and different tools that can be used for creating this particular geometry. So let us look at the sections and see whether we have created a similar geometry as well. So let us first look at the section BB. In order to view the sections, I've already shown you in the previous video. We can go to the view section and directly select the planar and select the plane. So we can see on the right hand side view, this has got orientated in different direction. So I'll just highlight it. So you can see that the section is similar to what we have created right now. So let me first press Ctrl D once and switch the direction, so we can also see in the right hand side view. You can see that both the geometries are similar. If we want, we can color it. We have to press this option and we can share it and we can observe. So we have the hole over here, and we also have the draft, what we can see of the circle. We have the other features over here, the drafted features and the rib. Now let me just close it. We can also check up another section over here. So for that we have to go to sections again, and we can just select the surface and go to sections, select the surface, and I can drag it. So we are not given any distance, so randomly I'm just stopping over here. Okay, and then we can color it and we can see how does it look. It's exactly similar to this drawing. Clear? So we have the rib, which is drafted and rounded, and also the wall, which is having its own thickness. So if we can check up in the bottom view, maybe we can understand more clearly. So the bottom view is getting oriented in upside down fashion. We can change the way of it. So let me just try to do that thing as well, so you can learn something new. So for doing that, I can go to the view, and over here I can go to the reorient option, and we have to select the type of reorientation is dynamic orient, and we can rotate the component. So I need not rotate it vertically. Let me keep it 0. Maybe I can rotate. Yeah, so I have to enter the value. Maybe I can just rotate with my cursor as well. So 180 degrees I've rotated. I can type the new name, so I'll just type it as new bottom and we can save it. So let me press Ctrl D again. So this was the standard orientation. Let me deactivate the plane or the sectional plane. This was the standard orientation. This was the right hand side view. Let us look at the bottom view. So it has not been saved right now. Let me just do it again very quickly. Maybe I didn't save it properly. We have to go to bottom at first. Now we can dynamic orient. Let's verify. Yeah, we got it over here. So the last time I've not pressed save option over here. So that was the reason it has not been saved earlier. I'll just verify again, Ctrl D. We have the new bottom over here. And we can activate the section to see the exact drawing over here. So this is the way we can create the geometries. I hope you have understood, and I really recommend you to practice with the drawing what I am going to share in the resources. Let us move forward and discuss some other simple geometries utilizing the engineering features.